Hello my friends of the sophisticated entertainment here. As you might see from the background, I'm not at home. Today is the day before travel, so pre-travel day. What is happening here? I am currently in the airport hotel, the Steigenberger hotel, which is super fancy, and I will give you a little room tour. I'm flying tomorrow to Orlando and I will stay at Disney World for 3 weeks. Actually, I'm staying at Disney World for 2 weeks and then I'm moving over to Universal. I am super excited. I have a very early flight tomorrow morning. I'm flying to Amsterdam at 6 in the morning. That means I need to be in the terminal at 4, which is crazy. I don't know why I'm doing that to myself. So I'm flying to Amsterdam, and then from Amsterdam actually I'm flying to Orlando, which is great. I like Amsterdam airport. It's a good airport. I will have breakfast there and it will be chill. But I decided to stay actually at the Steigenberger Berlin airport, which is a very new and very fancy hotel, and give it a go here because it's just a 5-minute walk from the hotel to the terminal. And that will save me a lot of trouble tomorrow morning. And I believe it is well worth anything. Yeah, I'm super tired. Also this evening, not many trains were going. It was a little bit a challenge to get here, but now finally I'm here. I cannot wait to get some sleep actually, because but before I'm getting ready for the night, and I'm looking a little bit crazy, I have to admit that, I will give you a little bit of a room tour so you can make your own decision if you would like maybe to stay there in the future. When you have a connection in Berlin, I feel it's quite a good option. Okay, so we have a little bit of light here. So this is the front door. Can have a little bit of a look outside. Fancy schnancy. Schnancy. Fancy. Okay, and then you come in here. Those are my 2 suitcases. One is luckily almost empty because I plan on buying stuff. I mean, shocker. There is some space. Actually, there is a lot of space. This is so nice. There is a lot of space. There is a safe. There is an ironing board. There is, there is a lot. This is all very new. And then you come in. Here is the bathroom. Look at this bathroom. I mean, this is what I call a bathroom actually. Hello. So there is a hairdryer and one of those crazy mirrors where you look. Hello. Very big. There is some soap with the Steigenberger brand. And then we have a very nice shower. It looks like a rainforest shower. This is amazing. So cool. Nice thick towels. And then here is the toilet, a little bit separate. Very minimalistic, very fancy, very nice. And then you come in here and you have a large, very comfortable looking bed, and you have a little table here, and you have a little desk situation where you can actually work. And at the workstation they also have a couple of plugs, which is quite good. I wish I could find a little bit more plugs, but you know, you take what you can get. We have a phone, we have water, they give you some water. There is a TV and glasses, and then in here There is a coffee maker and a kettle, and they also give you a little bit of tea and coffee. I will make use of that tomorrow morning. And then in here you have a little fridge. Very nice. Yeah, what's this? Yeah, loads of space. Loads of space. So I'm pretty impressed with this room. It wasn't too expensive. I paid 110 euros for the night. Worst case scenario, if I couldn't get a train, a taxi would cost me probably the same. So I opted for this stress-free little option. You can also get breakfast here in the hotel. I will not be able to get any breakfast because I have to be in the terminal at 4. I got a little bit of food and some snacks packed for the flight anyways. And yeah, I will get ready now for the night. And then I will catch up with you tomorrow morning very early. And then we're going to Orlando. Good morning. It is 4 in the morning currently. I am showered, I am dressed. This bed was super comfortable. Staying in this hotel was the best decision ever. I have a 5-minute walk now across the street to the terminal, and I can just drop off my stuff. Everything is packed up. This little backpack here is going in the cabin together with me. Next time I probably will do the same when I have a super early flight, because this is the best thing. And also probably I will come a little bit earlier, because they also have a spa area and a sauna, and I didn't have time to check everything out. So it looks like we did not forget. Yeah, we have all our stuff. So up to the terminal we are, and then I will see you probably when I am through security. I don't know. Brain is not working, need coffee. Yay! So I made it through security. The airport seems really quiet this morning, but the KLM check-in was craziness, absolutely craziness. There were like hundreds of people, at least it felt like that. And I was a little bit thankful that I have priority and I could skip the line basically. So I have now almost 1 hour until boarding, and I will sit here and have a little drink, and then we are flying to Amsterdam, and in Amsterdam actually there is a 4-hour layover, which is fine, right? Let's get organized. So yeah, I think I see you later. So I got myself a little Starbucks to pick me up because I'm really tired. And I just checked the passport control line, which is 30 minutes at the moment, but I still have plenty of time. And I thought I'm giving myself a little massage reboost in 5-minute situation for 2 euros. Because music, and I cannot wait. I'm so tired. That was almost 24 hours now awake. I will catch you up later. Now I'm just waiting for the Disney World sign. I look like shit. Hey, look who made it to the hotel. I am in All Stars. Movies. No, I'm not. I'm in All Star Music right now. Gosh, my brain is just bubblegum at the moment. Yeah, so I am in All Star Music. Mir's Connect, cannot complain, was great. Very friendly bus driver, empty bus, we were here quite quickly. I landed at 5 and now it's 7:30. Immigration was super quick. I had to wait a little bit for my suitcases, but this is also completely fine. I had a shower now. I feel slightly more human again. I also changed into something really like comfortable. I don't want to go to bed now because I will be so jet lagged. I will be so jet lagged tomorrow. But also this is fine. That was a super long trip and I'm sorry, my energy is just so low. I had a 10-hour flight from Amsterdam to Orlando. I was in premium economy, which makes all the difference. You have a lot of leg space, which is great. The flight was actually operated by Delta. I can just recommend them. They are absolutely fabulous. They bring you drinks like all the time, and there are snacks. And I feel I was a lot of snacking involved in this flight. I felt like eating non-stop. Yeah, but it was all in all, it was a great flight. It was just super long, and then I had a super long layover already in Amsterdam. Right, I've been up since 3 in the morning today, and now it's 7:30 plus 6. Yeah, 1:30 in the morning at home, so almost 24 hours, which explains why my brain is just not working anymore. Tomorrow I am planning to go to Animal Kingdom because Animal Kingdom is open very early in the morning, and again I will be super jet lagged. So that is that. For now, I think I will take a little stroll to the food court and get my refillable mug and also get maybe something warm to eat. And yeah, then I will have a super chill evening, and yeah, tomorrow is a new day. I have 3 weeks off. Disney and Universal extravaganza in front of me. It will be so much fun. It will be absolutely epic. I hope that you are joining the ride and subscribing and liking the video. I am super sorry that I am just not very energetic today, but I mean, kudos for everyone who has the energy to film like a full-on travel day vlog. I'm just so exhausted. I don't know how you guys are doing it, but respect. And yeah, thank you for watching, and I will see you all soon. Bye!